Okay, so this page we're going to do a couple together, and then I want you to do the rest by yourself. Again, just as a practice, making sure that we know how to change fractions into decimals. You're going to see this a bunch on your homework the next probably 3 or 4 weeks, and so I want to make sure you know how to do these. Again, super easy, just basically making sure you remember the rules. So remember, fraction to decimal, the rule is divide the denominator into the numerator. So this one's rounding to the nearest hundredths place. So again, we just rounded as well. That's why we're going back over this as a review. So the top number is going to go in, which is our 1. Bottom number is out, which is 6. So for the hundredths place, we're going to at least go out 3 places on all of these numbers. So 6 can't go into 1, so we'll add a 0 and a decimal. Then a 0 on the inside. 6 can go into 10 one time. Subtract, we get 4. Again, we're going to keep going 3 places. 6 can go into 40. That's going to go in there 6 times, which is 36. Subtract, we get 4. Add a 0, bring it down. And then 6 is going to go into 40 again 6 times. Okay, so again, we're rounding, so hundredths is 2 places. We have 3 places. So again, this back 6 is going to tell the number in front what to do. So it is going to go up because it's 5 or more. We'll raise a score, so it's going to go up 1 until we get 0.17. Okay, so I'm just going to go down to number 3. So we have 3/8. So again, numerator, denominator, numerator goes in, which is 3, denominator goes out, which is 8. 8 cannot go into 3, so we'll add a 0 on top in a decimal and a 0 on the inside. 8 is going to go into 30 3 times, which is 24. Subtract, we get 6. Add a 0. 8 is going to go into 67 times, which is 56. And then 8 is going to go into 45 times. So again, we're going at that 3 digits, and this one does happen to stop. So we have 0.375. So again, that 5 is going to tell the number in front what to do. So it's 5 or more, we're going to raise it up 1. So we get 0.38. Okay, so this number 6 is kind of a weird one. So it's not like our other ones where it's a fraction. It is a fraction, but it's just written sideways. So the number that comes first is our numerator. The second number is our denominator. Okay, so I'm going to let you do 2, 4, 5, and 6. And then let's look at number 7. So this one's rounded to the nearest thousandths place. So again, numerator, denominator. 5 goes in, 8 goes out. 8 can't go into 5, but it can go into 50. It's going to go in there 6 times, which is 48. Subtract, we get 2. We add a 0. 8 is going to go into 20 2 times, which is going to be 16. Subtract, we get 4. Add a 0. Oops, sorry. Camera's not there. And then 8 was going to go into 45 times. Okay, and again, this one says thousandths place. Well, the thousandths is a 3rd digit. Well, since it's stopped, we got to have a number behind it. So we're going to add 0 because we're done. So we'll look at the 0. The 0 is going to tell the 5 what to do. So 5 or more, we'll raise a score. 4 or less, we'll let it rest. So since it's 0, it is going to rest. So we get 0.625, and then that is our final answer. So again, you're going to do the rest by yourself. Again, just as a practice, because again, you're about to do this right on your homework.